Okay, so next here we're on to question 3, part D. Okay, so I have I2 plus 2S2032 minus goes to 2I minus plus S4O6 2 minus. So I'm told that to determine the concentration of a sodium thiosulfate solution, a student titrated it against 25.0 centimeters cubed of iodine. I'm told that it was originally made up to 500 centimeters cubed, okay, and then 25 centimeters cubed of that was titrated. We are told that we have 6.35 grams in 500 centimeters cubed of iodine. So firstly, I'm asked, part D, for the number of moles of iodine in each 25.0 centimeters cubed portion. So firstly, I need to work out my number of moles, and that's equal to my mass in grams divided by my relative molecular mass. And it is my relative molecular mass of I2, okay? And I2 has an atomic mass of 127. So I have 127 multiplied by 2, which gives me a relative molecular mass of 254. So 6.35 divided by 254. So 6.35 divided by 254 gives me an answer of 0.025. And that's moles. And that's in 500 centimeters cubed, because that's my mass in grams of 500 centimeters cubed. And I'm asked the number of moles in each 25.0 centimeters cubed portions. So I multiply by what I know, and I divide by the bit left over. So I have 0.025 multiplied by 25 and divided by 500 gives me 1.25 by 10 to the minus 123 moles. So that is my answer to part A. Okay, part II then, the number of moles of sodium thiosulfate required to remove or to reduce this quantity of iodine. So I then have to now set up my equation with sodium thiosulfate. So if I look here, for every 1 iodines, I have 2 sodium thiosulfates. I don't have 1 mole of iodine. I have 1.25 by 10 to the minus 3. So I multiply by what I know. I divide by the bit left over. And that's going to give me 2.5 by 10 to the minus 3 moles. And that is my answer to part 2. Okay, next part then, I am asked for the concentration of the sodium thiosulfate solution in moles per litre, and then we're told 17.85 centimetres cubed of which were required to reduce my 25.0 centimetres cubed. So I have worked out that I have 2.5 by 10 to the minus 3 moles of sodium thiosulfate, and that is in the amount that it reduces the 25.0 centimetres cubed, and I'm told in the question that that is 17.85 centimetres cubed. And I'm asked for the concentration in moles per litre. So that is 1,000 centimetres cubed. So again, we multiply by what we know, so 0.025 by 1,000. And divided by 17.85 gives me 0.14 moles per litre. And that is my answer to part 3. And the final part of the question then is the concentration of sodium thiosulfate in grams per litre. So moles equals mass in grams divided by my MR, and I'm given in the question it is Na2S2 O3 plus 5, by 5 H2O. So that is 23 by 2 plus 32 by 2 plus 16 by 3 plus 5 into, and it is 1 by 2 plus 16. Okay, so we have 46 plus 64 plus 48, and then plus, and it is 5 times 18, and that gives me, plus 5 times 18, and gives me an answer of 248. Okay. So mass in grams is going to be moles, 0.14, multiplied by my relative molecular mass. So 0.14 multiplied by 248 gives me 34.72 grams. And that is in a litre because I used my value in moles per litre.